Birds of Worlds. Peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird in the world. The male peacock has shiny blue, green, and golden feathers. The female is called a peahen and is brown in color. The peacock spreads its tail like a fan to dance and attract the peahen. It makes loud calls, especially before rain. The Indian peacock is the national bird of India. Peacocks live in India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and also in other countries. Peacock. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It drinks sweet nectar from flowers using its long beak. Its wings beat so fast that it can hover in the air like a helicopter. Hummingbirds can also fly backwards. Their feathers shine with bright rainbow-like colors. They live in North America, Central America, and South America. Hummingbird. Penguin. Penguin is a bird that cannot fly. It lives in very cold places with ice and snow. Penguins are excellent swimmers and use their wings like flippers. They eat fish, squid, and other sea animals. Penguins live together in big groups called colonies. They are found in Antarctica, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Chile, and Argentina. Penguin. Nightingale. Nightingale is a small brown bird with a sweet voice. It is famous for its beautiful singing, especially at night. Nightingales live in forests, gardens, and bushes. They eat insects, worms, and berries. They are found in Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Nightingales are a symbol of love and music. Nightingale. Flamingo. Flamingo is a tall bird with pink feathers. It often stands on one leg for a long time. Flamingos eat small fish, algae, and tiny water insects. Their pink color comes from the food they eat. They live together in large groups called flocks, found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, India, and Southern Europe. Flamingo. Macaw. Macaw is a big, colorful parrot. Its feathers are bright blue, red, yellow, and green. Macaws can talk and copy human voices. They live in rainforests and tall trees. Macaws eat nuts, fruits, and seeds, found in Central America, South America, and Mexico. Macaw. Toucan. Toucan is a bird with a very big colorful beak. Its beak is often red, yellow, orange, and green. Toucans live high in the rainforest trees. They eat fruits, insects, and small animals. Their calls sound like croaking or chirping, found in Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. Toucan. Canary. Canary is a small yellow singing bird. It is famous for its sweet and cheerful songs. People often keep canaries as pet birds. They eat seeds, fruits, and vegetables, while canaries live in forests, gardens, and grasslands, found in the Canary Islands, Madeira, Azores, and Europe. Canary. Starling. Starling is a small shiny blackbird. Its feathers shine with purple and green colors in the sunlight. Starlings are great at singing and copying other bird sounds. They live in large groups called murmurations, making amazing flying patterns. They eat insects, fruits, and seeds, found in Europe, Asia, Africa, and introduced to North America, Australia, and New Zealand. Starling. Bluejay. Bluejay is a bright blue bird with a loud voice. It has blue, white, and black feathers with a pretty crest on its head. Bluejays are very smart and noisy birds. They live in forests, gardens, and parks. Bluejays eat nuts, seeds, insects, and sometimes small animals, found in North America, especially Canada and the United States. Bluejay. Cardinal. Cardinal is a bright red songbird. The male cardinal has shiny red feathers, while the female is brown with red touches. They are famous for their beautiful whistling songs. Cardinals live in gardens, forests, and bushes. They eat seeds, fruits, and insects, found in North America, Central America, and the Caribbean. The northern cardinal is the state bird of 7 U.S. states. Cardinal. Robin. Robin is a small bird with an orange-red chest. It is easy to spot because of its bright chest color. Robins are known for their cheerful morning songs. They live in gardens, forests, and parks. Robins eat worms, insects, and fruits. The European robin is found in Europe, Asia, and North Africa, and the American robin is found in North America. Robins are symbols of joy and new beginnings. Robin. Stork. Stork is a tall bird with long legs and a long beak. It can fly high in the sky and travel long distances. Storks live near rivers, lakes, and wetlands. They eat fish, frogs, insects, and small animals. Storks are famous in stories for bringing babies, found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Stork. Quail. Quail is a small bird with a round body. It has a cute little feather plume on its head. Quails run fast but usually do not fly very high. They eat seeds, grains, and insects. Quails lay many small spotted eggs, found in Asia, Europe, Africa, and North America. Quail. Seagull. Seagull is a white and gray bird that lives near the sea. It flies over beaches, oceans, and lakes. Seagulls are noisy and make squawking sounds. They eat fish, crabs, insects, and even leftover food. Seagulls are strong flyers and can travel long distances, found in coastal areas all over the world. Seagull. Indian Pitta. Indian Pitta is a small, colorful forest bird. It has bright green, blue, yellow, and orange feathers. The Indian Pitta is known as the 6 o'clock bird because it sings in the early morning and evening. It lives in forests, gardens, and dense bushes. It eats insects, ants, and small worms, found in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Indian Pitta. Paradise Flycatcher. Paradise Flycatcher is a beautiful bird with a long tail. The male is mostly white with very long ribbon-like tail feathers. The female is usually brown with a shorter tail. They catch flies and insects while flying in the air. These birds live in forests, gardens, and near rivers, found in India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia. They are a symbol of grace and beauty. Paradise Flycatcher. Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher is a tiny, colorful kingfisher. It has bright orange, yellow, blue, and purple feathers. This bird lives near rivers, streams, and forests. It eats insects, frogs, lizards, and small fish. It is very fast and hard to spot in the wild, found in India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. It is also called the jewel of the forest. Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Rainbow Bee-eater. Rainbow bee-eater is a colorful bird with a slender body. It has green, blue, yellow, and orange feathers that shine like a rainbow. This bird loves to eat bees, wasps, and other flying insects. It lives in open forests, grasslands, and near rivers. Rainbow bee-eaters are fast flyers and catch insects in the air, found in India, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It is one of the most colorful birds in the world. Rainbow bee-eater. Blue-crowned pigeon. Blue-crowned pigeon is one of the largest and most beautiful pigeons. It has a blue crown of feathers on its head like a royal crown. Its body is covered with blue and maroon feathers. These pigeons live on the ground in forests. They eat fruits, seeds, and small plants, found in the rainforests of New Guinea. They are also called Victoria-crowned pigeons. Blue-crowned pigeon. Thank you for watching.